Biodiversity conservation is essential to maintaining the health and sustainability of ecosystem, ensuring the survival of various species and supporting human livelihoods. Conservation strategies are designed to protect, manage, and restore biological diversity at the genetic, species, and ecosystem level. The first major strategy is in situ conservation, which involves protecting species within their natural habitat. This includes the establishment and management of protected areas such as national parks, biosphere reserves, and community conserved areas. These habitats provide safe environments for species to thrive and reproduce naturally, preserving ecological processes and interspecies relationship. Ex situ conservation is the second key strategy, which involves conservation biodiversity outside natural habitat. It includes botanical gardens, seed banks, zoo, aquariums, and gene banks. This method is especially useful for endangered species that may not survive in the wild. Ex situ conservation also supports research, education, and species reintroduction programs. Habitat reforestation is another important strategy. It involves rehabilitating degraded ecosystems through afforestation, reforestation, wetland reforestation, and pollution control. By reforestating natural habitats, the survival chances of local species are increased and ecosystem services are revived. The sustainable use of resources is a vital strategy that ensures biodiversity is not overexploited. It includes practices like regulating hunting, controlled fishing, sustainable agriculture, and responsible forestry. These approaches promotes the use of resources in a way that meets human needs without compromising future generations. Environmental education and awareness programs help communities understand the value of biodiversity and the importance of its conservation. These initiatives empower local people to participate in conservation efforts and adopt eco friendly practices. Legislation and policy frameworks at national and international levels play a significant role in biodiversity protection. Laws like the Conservation on Biological Diversity and National Wildlife Protections Act provide legal backing for the conservation of endangered species and ecosystem. Community based conservation is increasingly recognized as successful approaches involving indigenous and local communities is planning and decision making ensures that conservation efforts are culturally appropriate, economically viable and ecologically